Hey, and welcome to Homeschool-ology. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you our adventures driving through Rocky Mountain National Park on our summer vacation this year. If you kind of want to see a whole recap of the trip that we did, you can head over to this video here. But today's video I'm going to be specifically sharing Rocky Mountain National Park and our adventures there. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm a homeschooling mom of 4. On this channel, I like to talk about all things secular homeschooling, motherhood, and over the summer months, we are talking about family travel. So, thank you for being here, and let's jump into the video. So like I said, today's video is Rocky Mountain National Park. So we love national parks. If you have not been checking out the national parks, do it. You need to. They are so beautiful and so amazing and so much fun. Even if you're not like a big hiking family, national parks usually have pretty gentle and easy trails that are very family friendly. We love to do them and go on them and just check out nature. My kids love it. And so every year that we drive out west, when we drive through Colorado, we drive through Rocky Mountain National Park. You can go in on one side and drive through and go out on the other side. We normally enter through Estes Park, and then we exit on the other side, and it's just literally a road that goes up into the mountains and then down the other side of the mountains. So this is a little area in the downtown Estes Park strip, kind of in the early part of the strip there. There's a little play area here where the kids can go and explore. It's got some little music things, and I love the little river, fake river you'll see here in just a minute. The kids love this little spot. Every year we come out here, they want to come and take a break here. There's a Subway here. My kids love Subway, so we have Subway, and there's a really great little Indian restaurant that my husband and I get, and then we just kind of take a minute and enjoy the surroundings. And then we love coming down to the river. Like I said in my previous videos, this year's the river was moving very, very quickly and was up very, very high. It's normally not this high or this fast. It's because of all the late season snowfall, and then, you know, it got hot fast, and so a lot of snow melted at one time, so there was a lot of high rivers and a lot of fast moving rivers, so we didn't get to play in it as much as we do in years past, but the kids, of course, have got to get their hands in it, and so that's what they did. They got their hands in it, they checked it out, and we just enjoyed our time by the river for a few minutes before we hit the road again and got headed into the Rocky Mountain National Park. We went early in the year this year on purpose because we wanted to see snow. The kids love playing in the snow, and you know that as it's melting, you know, but it's still fun. There's still tons of snow, and some years there are tons of snow. This year, because of all the late season snowfall, there was tons of snow, like tons. So we stopped a couple of times to play in the snow. Come on, sweet girl. Come on, baby. Hey, slow down, Peanut.
Don't pack it down too hard, Jay.
Down here. You can go up here.
As long as you're on the snow, it's alright.
Okay. Go up.
Throw more at mommy. Throw it at mommy. Hey! Whoa, slow down. Oh! Crash. You alright? Oh gosh. Ah! Mommy's gonna throw some at you. Ah! Whoa! Alright, come this way, Peanut. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
You feel the best snowman. You just falling. Your mommy. Guilty. Let's eat.
No, don't eat it. No. Ow! Don't eat it. It's not clean.
I got a piece of cream.
Did you get Jason? I thought you were going to build a snowman.
You gotta pack it. No, we're eating snow. Right?
No, don't eat it. It's dirty snow. Oh my gosh, Jason.
Look how gorgeous.
It's deep, huh?
Someone help me. I'll help you, Dad.
Start walking back this way. Don't peg her while she's stuck. Hold on, I'm coming. Y'all, don't go that way. It's obviously not packed. Jason.
Shoe? Oh, I just went in.
It's deeper than it looks, guys, so don't go too far into it.
I was like shin deep, knee deep. I was knee deep in snow.
You were knee deep in snow. Okay, you gotta let go of it now.
I felt like. Friendly, feel how cold my leg is from being stuck in there.
Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez.
Yeah. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Jay, let's do. Basketball. My foot's gone. Snow. Jay, basketball. Don't fall.
Well, don't fall.
Dad,
Throw a snowball at mommy.
Dad, I was shin deep in snow. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really deep. Ah, you got me. Ah, you got me. You got me. Oh my gosh, right in the head. You tried.
Attack mommy! Attack mom and dad!
Oh, not in the shirt. Look, Daddy's so far. Get Daddy, everybody pick up.
Jay!
That was me. Sorry.
Next time Rosalie comes, we have to show her everything on this thing.
Yeah. I'm gonna wipe this out of your face. It's all stuck in your beard.
My hands are frozen. My blood's frozen.
Uh-oh. What's wrong, baby?
I turned into
Oh, okay. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
I turned into a cool-blooded person.
All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh. Did you get it right in the face?
Yeah.
On the back of the head.
Oh, Jason, wipe the snow off her foot.
I'm gonna take her shoes off so I can get them all out. Get it all out.
Okay, go walk over to Daddy.
You want me to take your shoes off so I can get it all
Brindley,
out?
get him back. Get him back.
Make a big
Don't cry about it. Just make a huge snowball and throw it at him. It hurt.
3.
Oh, you missed. Do it again.
A nice dirty one.
Oh, there you go, Bryn.
I got stuck again. It's so dead. Are you getting this madness?
Throw it. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Do you like the snow? Do you like the snow? No, you don't like the snow. Daddy. No! Jason, wipe it off. Daddy, throw a snowball at the camera. Yes. Try again.
Yeah, I'll do it. Mom, you lost it! This is gone!
Oh no!
Ah, wait on white.
I can't see you do it.
Daddy, did you hold my hand? No. I don't hold my foot.
Nice.
Can I?
Woo! Okay, found the chipmunk. Oh, they're all under here. Look at him. Look at him. There he is. Say hi, chipmunk.
Hi, chipmunk.
He's already got something in his cheek. Look at him.
He's right by you. I'm not giving you nothing.
I got chipmunk.
You'll get fined if a rainbow touches you.
I want to fall.
You won't fall. Sit down.
Chipmunk. 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 That's a chipmunk.
There was one.
I don't know where she hung her. Did she get out of the car? We saw tons of wildlife, elk and birds and things like that. And moose, we saw 2 moose, which is,
I saw 3.
my daughter's in the other room. We saw 3 moose total, but there were 2 moose, a male and a female, walking through water. And that, if you have ever been out west, I have been out west my entire life, every summer, and never in my life have I seen 2 moose together, with the exception of a mom and a baby. I have never seen 2 grown adult moose together, so that was super cool, super amazing. And we saw a bunch of them and tons of elk. Rocky Mountain National Park, you are almost guaranteed to see elk. It just seems to be like there's so many of them there. We see them every year. And so we actually had an amazing time. We do every time we go. So if you get a chance, if you're in that area, definitely do it. It's so much fun. To go to Rocky Mountain National Park is on top of the mountains, even in July, even when we were experiencing temperature records in Estes Park one year, not this year. This year was nice temperatures, but one year we were experiencing record temperatures in Estes Park. It was still very cold on top of the mountain. So make sure that you are bringing a jacket, and it's going to be very windy. So make sure you're bringing a jacket and be prepared for wind. Sorry if some of the videos have a lot of wind sound. I'll try to minimize that as much as I can, but it's gorgeous, beautiful. There are lots of stops along the way. Basically, you just drive through and there's like little pull-outs and you can pull out and see the different things. There are a few trails if you want to do some of those. This day we didn't want to do a ton of trails because A, it is very windy on top of those mountains, and B, we were kind of like in a hurry to get to our next destination. Not a hurry, but we had a timetable that we needed to be on, and so we didn't really do a ton of hiking this day, and we mostly just played on the side of the roads and saw things on the side of the road. But even just doing that, there's so much to see and so much to do, and it's 100% worth it. Make sure you bring water and things like that. There's not a lot of places to buy like food and things like that. Make sure if you're going to be in there a good portion of the day that you're bringing some food with you. Just making sure you have food and water with you, and a jacket for sure, and yeah, it is a great park to visit. We love it. We do it every chance we get to, every time we are driving through Colorado, and that is it. If you have questions, go ahead and make them down below. I'll answer them the best I can. And I'd love to hear if you've been there before, what have been your favorite things to do in Rocky Mountain National Park. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And I think that's all I have for you guys today. So I will talk to you guys again real soon. Bye. I'm going to end the video here with some video of us driving actually through the park. I mean, a little time lapse of our actual drive through the park. So if you get a little seasick, you might want to go ahead and skip on over to the end and click on the next video. But these are just, it's such a beautiful drive through there. So we went ahead and recorded our drive, and you can see how much snow there was and how many stops we made and things we saw along the way. And like I said before, if you have any questions, go ahead and make them down below, and that I'm gonna sign off and just let you guys listen to the music. Enjoy.